सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 87, Shloka 7. Sukhaadhirupa niyamam bhaveshvalokya bhurishah शुभाशुभे विहायास्मात् अहमासे यथा सुखम्. Janaka Maharaja, expressing his state of mind, Aham Sukham Ase, I remain comfortably, Yatha Sukham, as my nature. Yatha Sukham means, originally my nature is Sukha Swarupam. As my Swarupam is Sukha Swarupam, same way I remain. Yatha Sukham Ase. That means what? The Sukham I am enjoying now is not a Sukham come out of any object. This Sukham is not born out of any contact with sense objects. That is called Yatha Sukham. That Yatha is very important. I remain in my Atman nature, which is always Sukha Swarupam, without any other thing or object in the world, without any association of a person or an object, I remain happily, comfortably. That is why this is called Swarupa Ananda. Contact born Ananda is Vishaya Ananda, Anubhava Ananda. That is not Yatha Sukham. That is borrowed Sukham. It has got arrival and departure also. Anubhava Ananda, that Ananda which is born out of a contact with a person or object, experiential Ananda. Anubhava Ananda means what? Experiential Ananda born out of a contact with a person or object. That will go away. That is not original Ananda. Janaka Maharaja expressing, I am enjoying my original Ananda. That is the difference between experiential Ananda and original Ananda. Why he says, in experiential Ananda there are fluctuations. In the first line he says, Sukhadi Rupa Aniyamam Bhaveshu. In sense objects, Bhaveshu means in sense objects or association with the people. Bhaveshu Sukhadi Rupa Aniyamam. Aniyamam means it is not definite. It is not definite. What is not definite? Sukhadi Rupam. Sukha, etc. Sukha, Jaya. All you can take all positive, negative and okay, all positive. Enjoyment comes out of any object. They are all aniyamam. They have date of arrival and date of departure also. Alokya bhurishaha. That is, we have to underline. Alokya, having seen them, bhurishaha, not one experience or two experiences. In every experience, bhurishaha, in every experience, without any exception, all are anatmananda. They are all anatmananda. What are all anatmananda? Putra ananda, putri ananda, patni ananda, pati ananda, griha ananda, kar ananda. List endless. That is why Janaka Maharaj says, Bhurishaha. All Anatma Anandas, Alokya, having seen them, analyzing thoroughly, Pariksha Lokan Karma Chitan is the word here. Having analyzed them, Aniyamam Rupam, therefore what I did, Shubha Ashubhe Vihaya Asmat. I have given up, I have dropped what? Shubha, Ashubha, Mangalam or Amangalam. Shubha means Mangalam, Ashubha means Amangalam. Shubha means favorable, pleasant. Ashubha means unfavorable, unpleasant. That's why I have dropped all of them. I am not expecting either favorable or unfavorable, because they have that favorable, unfavorable, their intrinsic nature. Failure and success is their intrinsic nature. All pair of opposites are in their intrinsic nature. Sukha, Dukkha, Jaya, Apajaya, Shita, Ushna, Raga, Dvesha, all twins. Their intrinsic nature. Having understood, I have dropped working for them. I am not going to seek any peace, happiness, security from them. And I am not going to seek peace, happiness, security, PHS from my son. I am not going to seek PHS from my daughter. I am not going to seek PHS from my house. House gives umpteen problems. If you are own house, one problem. If you are in rented house, another problem. I am not going to seek PHS from my finance, because every day that interest is changing, So I am not going to seek any sort of my security or happiness. This is called maturity. This is called maturity. You are informed person and artha. Normally informed person அவருக்கு நல்ல பாலிடிக்ஸ் எல்லாம் தெரியும், என்னென்ன நடக்கிறது எல்லாம் தெரியும், அதுதான் இன்ஃபார்ம்டு பர்சன் சொல்கிறான். அக்கார்டிங் டு சாஸ்திரா தட் இஸ் நாட் real information, that is wrong information, keeps you always under tension. Real information or refinement is this only. Atma Anatma Vivekagnaha. One word you can say, Atma Anatma Vivekagnaha. When not only in Saturday class, Vivekagnaha, discriminative person, Viveki, not only 1 hour or 1 hour, 1 weekly once na. सप्ताहे एक बार ना. ऐसा नहीं है, वैसा है ना, हमेशा, all the time I am. இன்னமும் ஹிந்தி வருது எனக்கு தெரியல. Okay. With this we have completed 13th chapter. Now we go to the 14th chapter. Again Sishya Janaka continues his dialogue, talking with his teacher. See how much feedback he is giving to his teacher. Ashtavakra happily listening nicely. Wow, what a student I got now. அந்த அஷ்டாவக்ரன் அவ்வளோ ஆனந்தம் அவருக்கு. He is a fortunate guru, like me. Okay, அப்படி சொல்லிக்கிறேன். சொல்லி வச்சுக்கிறேன் அது மாதிரி. ஓகே. ஜனக உவாச பிரகிருத்யா சூன்யசித்தோ யஹ பிரமாதாத் பாவபாவனஹ நித்ரிதோ போதித இவ க்ஷீண சம்ஸ்மரணோ ஹி சஹ. Very nice chapter. The chapter name is given Tranquility. Shanta Swarupam. Shantihi anartham. How we are peaceful. You are peaceful not because of anything. You are tranquil, you are peaceful. That is your nature. Janaka Maharaja says, Shanti is your Swarupam. Shanta Shivam Advaitam Chaturtham Manyante Sa Atma Sa Vigneyaha. Tranquility is my nature. So, in Anatma, body, mind, complex and interactions, relations, possessions, no tranquility is possible. Why? Aniyamatvat. They are not definite. They are not same. Tranquility is not possible in Anatma. You need not work for tranquility in Atma. In Anatma, you can never bring tranquility. So what? Recognize you are Atma, which is ever tranquil. Never try to bring tranquility. Mind tranquility, transcendental meditation. Mind tranquility never comes. It is impossible. Total mind tranquility never happens, because mind nature is to hold on to one object or other. That is its nature. Don't waste your time and energy. Accept such a mind which is Chemchalam hi mana Krishna pramadhi balavadrudham. It churns the person. Kondalippu nu solluva illaya. It churns the human heart. Therefore, never struggle to make your mind tranquil. Some extent you can make mind by japa, parayanam, puja or some sadhana or other. You can make to some extent mind tranquil. Never expect total tranquility from the mind. Understand? I am the Atma Swarupam. I am ever tranquil. It's my nature. Here I need not do anything. No need of transcendental meditation. In my real nature, if I abide, I understand I am Atman, which is ever tranquil. I need not struggle. I, the tranquil, not tranquilizers. People are taking tranquilizers, you know. What for they are taking tranquilizers, you know? For tranquility. They never get tranquility by tranquilizers. And the medicine ki pere tranquilizers. They give lot of side effects. Doctors permits to, they themselves give the tranquilizers. The last resort anna avanukku vera marundella vela pannadana tranquilizers anna. Why that medicine has got tranquilizer, you know? It is like a type of sedation. Tranquila irpa eppome. So tranquil anna. How? Because of tranquilizers. Shastra says, why you have to take tranquilizers? Have you heard tranquilizers? You are tranquility. You are of the nature of tranquility. If a person do not know that his nature is tranquility, he has to take tranquilizers. Some people in worst condition, they are taking tranquilizers. I am not taking any tranquilizer. சொல்லாதுங்க. நம்ம tranquilizers என்ன தெரியுமோ? டிவி சீரியல், ஷாப்பிங், விண்டோ ஷாப்பிங், ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸு, அங்கே போய் இங்கே போய் ஏதாவது புது ஒன்று வாங்கிட்டாங்கன்னா நமக்கு ஒரு ஆனந்தம், நிம்மதி. அது ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் tranquilizer. We need not take that tranquilizers. We are always struggling to tranquilize us by buying this or that, by enjoying ourselves, by satisfying our mind. We are searching for one thing or other, one friendship or other. இந்த ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் மேலே கொஞ்சம் அனுராகம் போயிடுதுன்னா போதும், அப்புறம் இன்னொரு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். That is another type of tranquilizer. People change the relations, people change the things, people change their style also. Why? It gives some coziness. It's another type of slight tranquilizer. சொல்லறதுக்கு மனசு வராது, நிஜமா சொன்னா அதுதான் ஆக்சுவல். Am I right or not? Everyone is trying to be tranquil by changing this or that, either dress or people or objects. This is called samsara. This is called samsara. Struggle to become like someone else. Struggle to become a new person. I want to look like differently. I want to look differently. By what? By changing my hairstyle so that everyone looks at me. Or changing my my ornaments, like matching, wearing matching some ornaments. I want to look differently. Puja Dayananda Swamiji always puts one joke. The modern youngsters, they want to look differently. What to do? Everyone doing something or other. So I want to look differently. What to do? That's why what he does, he cut all his pants like holes. Everything is hole. And without buttons, no shirt. Like that he want to drive that scooter, motorbike. So everyone looks at him. I am a different person. Is the difference? That's why people are struggling to be different by changing their vesham or read new differently. They want to change their house also. These are all as a type of tranquilizers. We get some sort of some ananda inside. Who does like this? All these things. Janaka Maharaja says an ignorant person does this, who do not know about his Atman nature, which is of the nature of tranquility. So I need not struggle to be different for others' sake or for my internal satisfaction. That's what he says. I am ever tranquil. Janaka Uvacha. What he says? Prakritya shunya chittaha yaha. Aham, he said until now. I am happy, I am peaceful, I am comfortable, he said. Now he is telling, whoever, such a gnani, he is talking about a gnani generally. Whoever, prakritya shunya chittaha, naturally, prakritya means naturally, shunya chittaha, whose mind is always very light. Shunya chittaha means very, very light minded. Enlightened mind is a light mind. What do you mean by enlightened? A person who enjoys a light mind is called a enlightened mind. So mind, manas is not a bharam. Manobharam won't be there. Manas is always just flying like, like that. ரொம்ப லைட்டாக இருக்கும் மனசு. அதான் சூன்ய சித்தான்னு அர்த்தம். சூன்ய சித்தான்னா அவனுக்கு ஒன்றுமே தெரியாதோ என்னமோ அப்படியெல்லாம் நினைக்கக்கூடாது. The one who enjoys a light mind, not burdensome mind or boredom mind or struggling mind or miserable mind. It is not miserable, boredom or burdensome or struggling mind, but is a light mind. I am so light today, Anna. So light and artham. Body you feel so light when you are having minimum weight. Sharira bharam is also a bharam. Manobharam is also a bharam. Burden. Heaviness. Talalo or heaviness ani solluva. Because of worry, lot of heaviness. And how heaviness can come? Because carrying many people in the head. So much weight. So vandi voda maatingiradhu lot of weight. So carrying son's problem, daughter's problem, daughter-in-law's problem, son-in-law's problem, grandson problem, house problem, car problem, all problems I am carry. What will happen? It is not shunya chittaha, bhara chittaha anartham. Bhara chittaha. So problems leave problems. This is not a problem, it is a situation. Why you are struggling? But a person, a jnani, who is naturally recognizing his nature, Atma Swarupam, his mind is a very light mind. How? Because he made the mind mithya. It is false. Mind is my instrument. He knows that. So, pramadat bhava bhavanaha. Bhavanaha means prarabdhavashad. Prarabdhaya samarpitam vapuhu ityesha manisha mama. Prarabdhaya samarpitam vapuhu. According to prarabdha, this person gets some thoughts. Bhavanaha means the one who is thinking. Bhava bhavanaha. Bhava means objects. As long as you have body mind complex, thoughts are bound to come. You need not stop them. Bhava bhavanaha means the one who is thinking about the people, objects. Bhava bhavanaha. How? Pramadat. Casually. Tamila pramadam illa. Sanskrit pramadam. Pramadat means inadvertently, not deliberately. Jnani also prakritya shunya chittaha, but as long as body mind is there, some survival vyavahara has to take place. Therefore, he has to work, not deliberately, but he says pramadat bhava bhavana. Because of prarabdha, he has to think about family, children, whatever is their responsibilities are there, he happens. At the same time, nidritaha bodhitaha iva ksheena samsmarano hi saha. Saha jnani. Saha atma jnani, whose mind is very light. Casually he interacts with the things and people. Bhava bhavanaha. Nidritaha iva bodhitaha iva. As though he is in waking state. Bodhitaha means he is in waking state. Jnani anna எப்பவுமே ஒரு மாதிரி அப்படியே சூன்யலோத்தி பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பாரா நினச்சிக்காதுங்க. People have lot of wrong notions about Jnani. அவர் சிரிக்கக்கூடாது, பேசக்கூடாது, சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, ஒன்றுமே பண்ணக்கூடாது. என்னதான் பண்ணணும்? அங்கே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கணுமா? Janaka Maharaja says, it's not like that. Bodhitaha iva. He is in waking state, looks as though nidritaha. A person who is in sleep, what type of raga dvesha he is having? In sleeping, he is having any raga dvesha? Likes and dislikes? Kobam? Temper? Nothing. Very calm and tranquil. மூஞ்சி பார் எப்படி இருக்கும் தூங்கும்போது. Same way this gnani bodhitaha nidritaha iva. As he is doing transaction, just as the person is so tranquil in sleep, this person is very tranquil without any repercussions, reactions, without any impulsive actions. He behaves without any reactions, without any anxiety, without any repercussions, without any impulsive behavior. He just remains tranquil and does the actions. Kshina samsmarano hi saha. Even past experiences, whatever happened, they arise in the mind. What had happened 10 years back, 20 years back, bhava bhavanaha. But kshina samsmaranaha, they cannot disturb him. Those vasanas will not come and disturb his tranquility. They arise. What has happened long ago, which has created guilt hurt in him 10 years back, before Ashtavakra Gita study, Bhagavad Gita study, before Vedanta study, all problems, they may come in the mind, but Kshina samsmaranaha. He is deliberately he is not bringing them, just like that casually they come in the mind, but at the same time they will not leave any imprints. They will not leave any scar in him. They are all like dream for him or for her. Okay, it's like a dream. Oh, just as your dream yesterday dream, it's like that. All past experiences are like dreams for a gnani. That is what he presents here. Kshina samsmarano hi saha. They are not powerful to create any sort of disturbance in him or her. Just like an example, nice examples. When the bird flies, can you see the footprints of the bird? When bird is flying in the sky, can you find out, bird has gone this way? Are there any footprints of the bird? No, that is called Kshina samsmaranaha. Jnani's previous experiences also, they come in the mind. They are like footprints of the bird which is flying. They will not stand in him or her. Adipatye yosinjunde irukano. Nothing. Another example also you can give. Like writing on the waters. You write on the waters. How much time it stays? How much time? As you are drawing, immediately it goes. Jnanis, bhava bhavanaha, previous experiences are all like that. Why? Whole thing is drama, mithya. So past drama, he looks at, he laughs at that. Or she laughs at that previous kadai, namma kadai. Illa oru kadai da, dream da. Kshina samsmaranohi saha. He is not having any tendencies, powerful tendencies, vasanas to disturb him. That's why Jnani's life is like a leela. It's a sport for him or for her. Life is a sport. Because of reduction of port, life is a sport. Nanna irukke. Because of the reduction of port, possession, obligation, transaction and relation, that is Swamiji's word. Okay, port, always Swamiji's job is this, finding out always some abbreviations. புதுசா abbreviation எல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிப்பார். Port and possession. P stands for possession, O stands for obligation, R stands for relations, T stands for transactions. நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம், அந்த குருவிலேருந்து வந்துட்டோம் இல்லையா நம்ம கூட. அதுதான் the one who drop that or reduce the port, for him life is a sport. இந்த குரு வாசனை எங்கே போகும், அப்படியே வந்துடும். Port, if you reduce, you get another extra letter. Promotion or depromotion? Promotion. If you reduce port, your life is a sport. Okay. What? Okay. Saha yaha saha. Satya gnani saha China samsmaranaha. Why Janaka Maharaja says at the time of old age especially, kimahagum sadhuna karavam, kimahagum papamakaravamiti, why I did like this, why I didn't do like that. All the time very about the past. 30 years back, 50 years back, whatever happened, adella kadiyadu. Once for all, past is past. Past is past as mithya. Mithya. It has no substantial existence. Now also, present also, mithya only. It is an apparent. Whole thing is abhasa. It is abhasam, not real. Next shloka. Kwadhanani kvamitrani kvame vishayadasyavaham kva shastram kvacha vijnanam yada me galita spruha. Yada, second line. Yada, when. Spruha me galita. Spruha means desires, cravings, anxiety to achieve this and that, anxiety to accomplish something in my life. That's spruha. Anxiety to acquire something. Anxiety to acquire name, fame, money, possessions, relations. Anxiety always. Anxious. Desirous of. Spruha. Yada spruha galita. Gone and melted. Galita means melted away, dissolved or resolved. When all the desires are resolved or dissolved or melted away, how they are melted away, how they are dissolved? Born out of knowledge. The desires are all risen at the anatma level because of ignorance. Atma ajnanena spruha agacchati. Desire for bodily possessions, desire for emotional things. That's why emotionally I seek security. Physically I seek security. So many ways I seek security. I seek peace and happiness, all the time struggling for others' appreciation. Always struggling others' appreciation. Even everyone hate also doesn't matter. One person at least நமக்குள்ள ஒருத்தர் இருப்பார் மனசுக்குள்ள எப்பவுமே, அவருடைய அப்ரூவல் வேணும். நான் கண்டிக்கவே மாட்டேன் சுவாமி, யார் அது அப்படி நேளமாக சொல்லுவான், யாரும் சொன்னாலும் சொல்லாட்டாலும் ஒருத்தர் மாத்திரம் நான் கேட்பேன், அவரோட அப்ரூவல் வேணும். போதுமா? ஒன்று போதுமே. ஒரு ஒன் மஸ்கிட்டோ இஸ் எனஃப் இன் த நெட், மஸ்கிட்டோ நெட்டு. அது மாதிரி ஐ வாண்ட் அப்ரூவல் ஆஃப் சம் ஒன் ஆர் சம்படி எல்ஸ். தட்ஸ் வை வி வாண்ட் டு டெல் எவ்ரிதிங் டு தட் பர்சன். மை வெல்விஷர் வெல்விஷர் வெல்விஷர்னு சொல்லி அந்த மனசு ஆல்வேஸ் லீனிங் அப்பான் சம்திங். அது ஒரு நன்னா இருக்கும். ஒரு லீனிங் என்ன எப்போவுமே ஒன்ஸ் யூ டேக் த சப்போர்ட் ஆஃப் வால். என்ன இந்த கேம்பில் எல்லாம் பார்ப்பேன், எங்கே வால் இருக்குமோ அங்கே போய் உட்காருவா. ஏன்னா மார்னிங் கிளாஸ், ஆஃப்டர்நூன் கிளாஸ், ஈவினிங் கிளாஸ், டெய்லி ஹோல் த டைம் கிளாஸ். தேர்ஃபோர் தே கோ அண்ட் சிட் நியர் த வால். Like that, we want a wall in our life also, support. That's a leaning mentality, no? So we always want to lean on something or other. This person is not having any sort of leaning mentality because they are all anityam. Nothing is there in the world to lean upon, to rely upon. Nothing is there to rely upon in the world except God, except your own self. That is why what we say, world dependence to God dependence. Family dependence, world dependence anartham, family dependence. From world dependence to God dependence, God dependence to Guru dependence, Guru dependence to Shastra dependence, Shastra dependence to independence. It's like people naturally they change burden from one shoulder to another. That's all. They change their burden from one shoulder to another shoulder means what? My dearest friend. Sharing up for some time. Then from that friend to some other relation. We are changing our burden from one person to other person. But Shastra says, how long you change like this? You feel tired of changing this. But if you change here also burden again. How more burden? Again you change. That's why changing relations, changing positions, how long? Burden is burden. Therefore, rely upon yourself. Atma, ever secure, tranquil, Shastra says. Why you have to search for something outside? You are the ever secure, tranquil Atma. Recognize that, really speaking, upon you only everything is depending. Therefore, he says, Yada spruha galita me. From me, they have gone. After that, he says, Kwadhanani, Kwamitrani, Kwame Vishaya Dasyavaha. Where is the question of richness? Riches, wealth. All the richness or riches, wealth, everything only for Vyavahara. Vyavahara, body level only, mind level only, Anatma level only. When I am the substratum of the universe, this richness is like a droplet in me the Atma, the whole Anatma is resting in her. Kwadhanani. That's why you remember one sloka, Bhajagovindam sloka, Vayasi gate kah kama vikaraha, Sushke nire kah kasaraha, Kshine vitte kah parivaraha, Gnate tattve kas samsaraha, Bhajagovindam. That Gnate tattve kaha samsaraha. Once I recognize Paramatma Tattvam, Gnate tattve, where is the question of samsara? Problem. Shankaracharya gives a beautiful example. There is no samsara when I recognize my higher nature. Therefore, I am free from all desires. I am free from all worries, anxieties. Just as when the Vayasi gate kaha kama vikara. Kama vikara can remain in a person when he is very old. ஆல்ரெடி ஓல்டு முறுக்கு மாதிரி ஆயிட்டான். என்ன டிசைர்ஸ் இருக்கும், என்ன காமம் இருக்கும்? ஆல் பிஃபோர் ஹீ இஸ் லீவிங் த காமா, தே லீவ் ஹிம். இவனுக்கிட்ட இருந்த என்ன பிரயோஜனம், இவனுக்கிட்ட இருந்த என்ன பிரயோஜனம் చెప్పి காமாஸ் themselves go away. வயசி கதே கஹா காம விகாரஹ கஹ காம விகாரஹ. Then second example he gives, Chide vitte, when that you lost your money, finance, whole loss. Chide vitte, you are poor, suppose. Panam pola, erkanave you are already poor. You are not interested in earning money, saving, not status and all, you are not interested. Who will come to your house? You are normally maintaining your life very with the minimum things. Even they come also, you cannot provide any luxuries. Therefore, Chide vitte kaha parivaraha, no relatives will come. அவன் வீட்டுக்கு போனால் என்ன இருக்கப்பா, ஒரு ஃபேனு கிடையாது, மஸ்கிட்டோ நெட் கிடையாது, ஏசி கிடையாது, யாரும் வரமாட்டான். சீனே வித்தே கஹ பரிவாரா. Then kasarahana, that water is dries up. Once in the water dries up, there where is the question of lake? It is, you can call it as a lake. You cannot call it as a lake also. Therefore sushke neere kaha kasaraha. இப்போ சம்மர் வருது, அந்த மேட்டூர் டேமில் இந்த டேமில் ஒன்றுமே இருக்க போகிறது இல்லை ஆஃப்டர் ஜூலை. ஸோ யூ கேனாட் கால் இட் ஆஸ் எ லேக். எ லேக் இஸ் எ லேக் as long as it has waters. Once water is not there, it is no more a lake. Similarly, 3 examples Shankaracharya gives, நமக்கு ஒன்றுமே ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. ஞாத்தே தத்வே கஹ சம்சாரஹ. ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது, வரி கிடையாது, நோ ஆங்ஸைட்டி, நத்திங்னார். Kwa dhanani, kwa mitrani. Where is the question of mitra? Friend or foe? Nothing. Mitrani, my dearest friend. How are you? How are you? SMS, happy birthday to you, happy wedding day to you. ஏதோ ஒன்று சொல்லிகிட்டே இருக்கணும், அவ்வளோதான். Happy wedding day, happy birthday. Oh, everything. Kwa mitrani me vishaya dasyavaha. Where are the enemies? Vishaya dasyavaha. Dasyana enemy. Dasyu means enemy. Dasyavaha means enemies. Enemies are what? Vishaya dasyavaha, in the form of Vishaya, sense objects. So I am not having any enemies in the form of objects. I am not go behind any object. Vishaya is, if you have mamakara upon an object, it is a Vishaya. If you don't have mamakara, it is a padartha. The whole world is a padartha if you don't have mamakara. If you have a mamakara, that padartha will become a Vishayaha. Vishinoti, badhnati, iti Vishayaha. That which binds you. Padartha will not bind you. Vishayaha binds you. Griham, all houses are binding you. Your house only binds you. Why? Because you have mamakara on that house. Therefore that house becomes a Vishaya to you. It is mama. That is why when they do this homa and all, idam namama, idam namama, they drop everything. Idam namama, mama anu sonnanna mamakara, then they will become Vishaya. It is not mama, it is a padartha. Whole world is a padartha. When it is Vishaya, where you have attachment, anuraga, mamakara, mindness, that becomes a Vishaya. Now understand the difference between padartha and Vishaya. You have certain things, some people attached mamakara, they are all called Vishaya. They are all called enemies. Who says? Janaka Maharaja says, I have no enemies, he says. That means what? I have no mamakara on anything. That's why he never cried when Sita went to forest. Have you read anywhere? Janaka Maharaja crying for Namma Nanna Pano, Pohadamma, forest. You need not go. He has to go. Kaikeyi asked only Rama, why you have to go? Va, va, va. And Janaka didn't do that. Because he has no mamakara, no bondage. Kva mitrani, kva dhanani, kva dasyavaha, vishaya dasyavaha, kva shastram. Where is the question of shastra also? No more shastra. Shastra become irrelevant for me because I have transcended the Shastra. I have taken Shastra, I have studied Shastra, I understood myself, I am Atman. Now no more Shastra in my life. Ko vidhi, ko nishedhaha. Shastra also cannot command. Na Shastram. Vijnanam. Not only that, where is the question of Vijnanam? Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. I need not tell Aham Brahmasmi. That also is not required. Okay, I need not do Nididhyasana. Ukarandi, I am Panchakosha Vilakshanaha, Avastatraya Sakshi. These are all not necessary for me. Why? I am firmly established in Atma Swarupam. Nididhyasana is also for a Manda Madhyama Adhikari. Yada Galita Spruha Galita. When desires are all gone, what is the necessity of Shastram? They're all there, but I am not running after. I want to learn this, I want to learn that, I want to do this, that and all. எதுக்காக இந்த ஒரே ஆட்டோபயோகிராஃபி மாதிரி என்ன மூவிங் ஹியர் அண்ட் தேர் என்ன நிறைய படிக்கணும் என்னென்னமோ படிக்கணுமா everything is what? Again you have to drop. That is why you have to say goodbye to everything after some time, including Vijnanam also. Enna Vijnanam is also comes in Anatma, Manas. Vijnanam vandadukku appuram vidanum. Okay. Not now. Okay. Next shloka. Therefore, understand, convert the Vishaya into Padartha. This is the lesson. By reading this sloka, listening this sloka, what we have to learn? Convert the entire world, including your body, mind, as a Padartha. It is no more a Vishaya for me. If it is a Vishaya, I start worrying. Body is also a Padartha, bundle of chemicals. Mind is also a Padartha made out of matter. How can I worry about Padartha? Therefore, this knowledge is born because of Shastra study. Just like that, you cannot push away. It has to come out of understanding. It has to come. Firm knowledge. No one can shake you in the world. Next shloka. Vijnate sakshi purushe Paramatmani cheshware Nairasye bandha mokshe cha Na chinta muktaye mama Mama muktaye chinta na asti. To attain moksha, I have no worry. I want to become a mukta, I want to become a mukta. That also not there. Why? I am already muktaha. Mukta swarupam atma aham asmi. I need not become a muktaha. I have no bondage, therefore I need not become muktaha, liberated. If I have bondage only, I have to become a liberated person. I want to liberate myself. I want to liberate myself. Who is this myself? Understand that first. As long as you do not understand this, who is the self, myself, I am, you have a struggle for liberation. The struggle for liberation ends the day you understand what you are. The struggle for liberation ends the day when you understand what you are. Until that time, எனக்கு மோட்சம் வருமா, எனக்கு மோட்சம் வருமா, அந்த எனக்கு ಅನ್ನது யாருன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. அந்த எனக்கு எனக்குன்னு சொல்றேன். Who is that எனக்கு? Who is that? Who am I? Understand? You recognize I am ever liberated Atma. Ever muktaha, nitya muktaha aham. I need not become a muktaha. Therefore, understand, study Shastra thoroughly. Don't open the book only Saturday. Go home, read again and again. Spend time in Shastra. You understand who you are. Then you understand I am Nitya Muktaha. I need not become Muktaha. As Janaka says, Muktaye mama chinta na asti. Vaina Vignate Sakshi Purushe Paramatmani cha Ishvare. Because of understanding, Vignate. Because of clear understanding of what? Sakshi Purushe, Ishvare, Paramatmani. I, the Pratyagatma, the inner self. Sakshi Purusha means Pratyagatma, the inner self. Sakshi Purushaha, Jivatma. And Ishvara, the total Ishvara, both of us are nothing but Atma Swarupam. I have understood what is the real nature of Ishvara, Paraprakriti. My nature is also Paraprakriti. Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikyam is very clear for me. Sakshi Purushe, Paramatmani, Ishvare cha, Aikya Jnanam, Vignate. When I understand that Ishvara is non-separate from me, Ishvara is not Aparaprakriti, real is Paraprakriti. Lakshyartha. I have to see Lakshyartha. Alpagnaha Jivatma, Sarvagnaha Paramatma Ishvara. This Alpagnatvam, Sarvagnatvam Bhagatyaga Lakshanaya Nishkarshya. I remain as Atma, Lakshyartha Atma. Therefore, I have to do lot of study, homework. Tvam padartha, tat padartha, vachyartha I have to drop. I am when I say I am mixture. Ishvara when I say Ishvara also mixture. What mixture? Original consciousness, RC plus RM. Mixture. Body-mind complex. Ishvara also OC plus Ishvara Maya Sahitam Brahma is Upadhi. Jiva I have Upadhi, Ishvara also has Upadhi. In the Rundu Upadhim kuda temporary. I delete those two Upadhis intellectually. They are not real. What is real? Ange OC real, Inge OC real. Sakshi Purushe OC Paramatma, Ishvare Paramatma, both are one and the same. Tat Tvam Asi, Aham Brahma Asmi. In the Vakyam ellame appuram தேவையே இல்லை. Not necessary at all. Vignate, Sakshi Purushe, Ishvare, Paramatmani, both are one and the same, identical. It's a long journey. It is a long journey, time consuming process, but worth to do. Okay. Vignate sati, Sakshi Purushe Paramatmani cha Ishvare. Therefore, that all upadhis we have to drop mentally. Sarira Abhimana you have to drop here. Ishvara Nama Rupa you have to delete there. Ella deletion da. No need of addition. Once you delete everything, what is remaining? The deleter will remain. The negator of everything will remain. I am the Atman in everything. That is the knowledge. Vijnate Nairasye Bandhamokshe. Nairasye. There is no desire. Asha means desire. Nirasha means not negatively. Okay. Nirasha means there is no asha. Nirashasya bhavaha nairashyam. Desirelessness. Once I have understood I am Atma, there is no more desire for moksha. Why? I am not bound. Therefore, no need of moksha. Therefore, chinta nasti. Chinta nasti kila. Tesham chinta nasti kila. Shamadama karuna sampurnanam sadhu samagama sankirnanam chinta nasti kila. Chinte kadiyadu. Yenna sadhu sangamam is there, moksha definitely comes. Once moksha comes is not comes, you recognize you are muktaha. Next shloka. Antarvikalpashunyasya Vahisvachandacharinah Bhrantasyeva dashastastaha tadrisha eva janate. So Jahal Lakshana, Jahal Lakshana, Jahada Jahal Lakshana, care of Taittiriya Upanishad. Okay. All these are all I am not explaining because this is for a student who has completed already Upanishadic teaching, learning, understanding. So you have to understand. Okay. Listen. If you have not listened Upanishad, listen, you can understand. Because I cannot explain that, it will take 2-3 hours for me. If I go to Jahal Lakshana, Jahal Lakshana, Jahada Jahal Lakshana. In Rama Gita I have explained that. In Upanishad, Mandukya I have explained. Taittiriya Upanishad I have explained. Many Upanishads I have seen that in Prakarana Grandhas, Vakya Vritti especially. Vakya Vritti I have done that. So many Prakarana Grandhas are there. Please listen. Otherwise these technical terms are very, very tough. Okay. Now he says, Antarbahihi Vikalpa Shunyasya. Then Jnani is one who is Vikalpa Shunyaha. Vikalpa means doubts. Doubting Tamas. எப்பவுமே ஒரே ஒரு சந்தேகம் இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். ஜனகா says, எனக்கு சந்தேகமே கிடையாது. எங்கன்னா either inside or outside. Regarding the world, Bahihi Sandeha Nasti. Vikalpaha Nasti. Regarding inside also, about my nature, about the body, about mind, about emotions, about buddhi, about panchakoshas, about Shariratrayam, I am free from doubts. And another, my teacher has taught me thoroughly. Therefore, I have no doubts at all. I know what is Stula Shariram, I know what is Sushma Shariram, I know what are all Panchakoshas, their nature also I know. Therefore, Sandehameva Nasti. Antahava Bahiva Vikalpaha Na Asti. I have no doubts. Vikalpaha means doubt, Sunyasya means who is free from. To such me, Bahihi, Antahava Vikalpaha Shunyasya. Then what? Because of freedom from doubts, he moves freely. Swachanda Charinaha. He moves very freely. He need not afraid of anyone in the world. அவன் என்ன பண்ணுவானோ, இவன் என்ன பண்ணுவானோ, அவன் என்ன திங்க் பண்ணுவானோ, இவன் என்ன நினைப்பானோ, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ப்ராப்ளம் கிடையாது அவனுக்கு. எப்படி ஸ்போர்ட்னு சொன்னான் இல்லையோ, ஸ்போர்ட், லைஃப் இஸ் ஏ ஸ்போர்ட், விளையாட்டு, விளையாட்டு அரங்கம். இந்த உலகமே அவனுக்கு விளையாட்டு அரங்கம், ஸ்டேஜ் ஆஃப் ஸ்போர்ட்னு. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஸ்வச்சந்த சாரிணஹன்னா. ஹி மூவ்ஸ் லைக் வாட் எவர் வே ஹி வாண்ட்ஸ்ன்னா. அப்படி இல்லை, ஹி மூவ்ஸ் as a gnani. He never looks at the world as exploiting. The world is exploiting me, people are exploiting me, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் கிடையாது. எல்லாமே பிரம்மந்த, சர்வம் பிரம்மமயம், ரே சர்வம் பிரம்மமயம். Next class I am going to teach you Sadashiva Brahmendra Kirtanas, all Vedantic songs. Whole Vedanta comes there. I am going to teach you, okay? You have to sing. Come early. Instead of chanting, we will sing the songs. Bhrantasya eva dashaha taha taha. Such and such. Bhrantaha, Bhrantasya eva. He moves as though, Bhrantasya means what? As a ஒன்றும் தெரியாத மாதிரி. பிராந்தகான்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? பைத்தியக்காரன் மாதிரி என்ன அர்த்தம்? பைத்தியக்காரன் மாதிரி மூவ் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான்னா அப்படி நிஜமாக நினச்சிக்காதுங்க. சி, பைத்தியக்காரன், we have to take the similarity. He is free from ragadvesha, innocent like a child. அது எடுத்துக்கணுமே தவிர பிராந்தகன்னு அவருக்கு மைண்டே போயிடுத்து பார்ப்போம் ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் அப்படியெல்லாம் நினைக்கக்கூடாது. He is like a, see, these people, Bhrantaha, people, mad people, they don't have any raga dvesha. They are very innocent. They never take any grudge on others. Guilt, hurt feelings kadiyadu avanga. So you have to take all positive things. Bhrantasya iva. Bhrantan illa, Bhrantasya iva. And the iva important. Bhrantaha iva nu sonna problem. Bhrantasya iva. As though like a child. Okay. These words are very, very misleading words. Dashaha taha taha. Dashaha means in such and such conditions. Who knows all these things? Gnani ipdi irpa anu yarukku theriyum? Tadrishaha jayate. Tadrishaha eva. Paambu kaalu paambuku da theriyum. Gnani ivaru eppadi theriyumna gnaniki da theriyum. Avar gnani ani nanakku theriyanumna நம்ம ஞானி ஆகணும். ஞானி செயல் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா ஞானிக்கு தான் தெரியும். அதுக்கு தான் ஜனகர் சொல்றாரு, தாத்ருஷாக ஏவ ஜானதி. His activities, his movements, his behavior, his way of talking, his conduct, everything, why he, she does like this, nobody knows except gnani. Tadrishaha, gnani only knows janate. Gnani alone knows. Knows and a K-N-O-W-S. More in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.